These lemon bars are made with a rich and buttery shortbread crust with a sweet and tart lemon filling that are sealed in a light sugary crackled topping that is dusted with powdered sugar. You will love every bite. Let's make them. Whisk together flour, powdered sugar, and vanilla. You're going to add in butter. You can slice the butter into small slices, but I find it is easier to grate the butter with a cheese grater, and this will allow the butter to mix in evenly. You will blend the dough until the mixture clings together. Line a 13 by 9 inch baking dish with parchment paper, then press the shortbread crust into the lined baking dish. Bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Remove from the oven and set aside, then make the filling. Beat eggs. Then add granulated sugar and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Mix in flour and baking powder. Pour filling over the crust and bake at 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Remove from the oven and cool for 5 or more minutes. Then lightly dust with powdered sugar. Cut into squares and serve. Find the full recipe and additional cooking tips at aforkstale.com.